Okay, today we're going to talk about the B.A.R. B.A.R. Bureau of Auto Repair. Their number was 1-800-952-5210. Again, 1-800-952-5210. If you have any issues or concerns about your smog, instead of calling the DMV, arguing with them about, I just got a smog done last year, why do I got to get another one? A lot of times, you don't know that your smogs are late. Your smog date and your expiration date on your registration should always be exactly the same date. If you ever find yourself getting a smog done on a different date than your registration, your smog is late. A lot of times when you buy a car from a dealership, the smog was late because they'll have it sitting on their lot, and they're not going to smog it while it's sitting on their lot. They're going to smog it when they get ready to sell it. So that smog sometimes is already late before you even buy the car. And then you get the car and turn around and have to smog it again. Also, on the next video, I'm going to tell you about how I use the B.A.R, the Bureau of Auto Repair, for another purpose. DMV auntie.